Hey there, what's going on, fellow BMW enthusiasts? My name is Chris. Welcome back to the Beamer Barn. And in today's episode, I'm going to be giving you guys a channel update, what's going on behind the scenes, what we're working on, what we're striving to do, and what you can expect from our YouTube channel in the next few months. Now, for those of you who are new to the channel, you may not be aware that our first build was the E39 M5 wagon, which is one of my favorites, actually my dream car, which is why I built it, and I'll probably never get rid of that car. But this build sparked my interest in creating more content and just growing my YouTube channel. So at the beginning of this year, in January of 2021, I went full time into creating my own business, the Beamer Barn. And what we do here is we restore BMWs and try to sell them for a profit. And at the same time, I'm creating some awesome informative content for you guys, which is both educational and I hope entertaining as well. So since that first build, we have bought and sold an E46 328i. From there, we bought and restored and sold a 335i, which we actually sold to my best friend Max, so he has that car now. And since then, we're now working on this E46 all-wheel drive wagon, which we're very close to finishing. Actually, I'm working on the front end with suspension and the oil pan now, and then after that, we'll just be doing some final cosmetic work, and then it'll be a finished car. We might go take it on a road trip somewhere off-roading. That might be fun, but eventually it will get sold and we'll be moving on to more projects too. Now, it's not the easiest juggling creating the content with actually fixing the cars, and I've noticed it slowed me down a lot from my typical pace of being able to build something like this. But at the same time, I want to make sure that I get really detailed content for you guys that can help you at home with your own cars, and that way we both benefit from creating these awesome cars together. So in order to get closer with you guys, I recently started a Patreon page, and I'm going to go ahead and put a link to it down below, but all community members of the Patreon page will get access to extra behind the scene contents, and also you'll have a closer look at what we're going to be doing in future videos. You'll get early access to that sort of information, and I'm actually opening a Discord community so that all of us BMW enthusiasts have somewhere to talk 24/7. If that means troubleshooting with me or with someone else, what's going on your car, or maybe it's just sharing some BMW memes or something like that. It's a great way for us to connect and get together all as one community on the same place. So like I said, check out the Patreon page. I have a few different tiers there, and I'm also going to be adding you guys at the end of the videos as well, all of you members of the Patreon community, because I just want to recognize your help, and as I said, I really appreciate all you guys following the channel. If you can't support us on the Patreon, go ahead and follow my Instagram, because I do like to update you guys behind the scenes there as well. And you can just like the videos, watch them all the way through, leave a comment down below, and that really helps the YouTube algorithm recognize the quality content that we're producing and helps show our videos to more people so that they can discover and learn as well. So that's a way that you guys can help us on our journey, but I'm not expecting anything from you guys. I'm willing to work hard and earn every dollar that I make. So now some of the channel goals that I have is I want to continue making great content for you guys. I want to actually get better at it. So whether that means spending more time editing to get a video better, or spending more money on equipment, getting a better camera, whatever I have to do, I just want to keep on getting better and better so that the content gets better for you guys. That's one of my biggest goals for the channel, so I hope you guys would agree that's pretty important. I'd also like to do more unique builds, so I don't want to stray too far from doing things that are achievable at home, but you know, if we can get like an E46 M3 in the shop and that way restore it, show you guys some repairs and DIYs there, but maybe we end up doing a swap into like a sedan or something unique like that, that would be pretty cool. But you know, I just want to keep a good mix of things that are interesting as well as things that are still accessible for you guys to do at home. And now I'd also love to do some force induction, so if you guys would love to see that on the channel, go ahead and let me know down in the comments below that you'd agree. Now, besides the cars, within the next year, I would like to get into a new location. Preferably, I'd like to get into a new house that has maybe a larger garage or a detached garage or some sort of like warehouse or shop facility off to the side, because that'd be a great way for me to continue working on these cars and building them, but have just a little bit more space and privacy, and that way we don't have to worry about the neighbors when we're wrenching at 2 in the morning. Now, I don't want to get into a commercial space space. I know a lot of people go that route. They get like a shop, and that way you can have your home separate from your work. But I really enjoy being close to my cars, and it helps me be productive when I'm able to just walk straight outside and get to work on them. So that's something that I'm looking forward to doing. And if you guys want to support that, then like I said, you can watch the videos, like them, join the Patreon page, maybe get some merchandise off of the store. So there's lots of ways that you can help, but at the end of the day, just watching the videos, I really appreciate that, guys. Now for the channel itself, I would like to reach 10,000 subscribers by the end of 2021. I think it's really achievable, and at the rate that we're growing with all new people discovering the channel and all the different cars that we've been doing, I feel like we're gonna have a pretty big community here very soon, that we're growing really quickly. I would like to keep doing 3 videos a week. I think that's a really good number. I can make them about 15-20 minutes per video, but I wouldn't be opposed to going down or up. So if you guys want less videos a week but longer, I wouldn't mind doing that. Or if you guys maybe want something that's shorter or just a little more sporadic or random, like a daily vlog, and more of those during the week, then I wouldn't be opposed to trying that as well. But you guys let me know. I'm really open to new ideas and trying things differently. So let me know if you think that there'd be a better format for this style of content. And in terms of cars in the channel, I'd like to keep at the rate that we're currently going. So about 1 car every 3 months, I think is a pretty good number. I don't have to get a dealer's license in order to do that many cars. In fact, I could do up to 5 cars a year if I wanted to. But 1 car every 3 months, I feel like is plenty of time for me to get the car in, inspect, do all the restoration work as much as possible, and then spend maybe a couple weeks just driving the car, enjoying it, and showing you guys exactly what we built. So I think those are some good goals for the channel. Let me know if you agree, if you think that some things need to be changed. I'm, like I said, open to feedback from you guys, so let me know down in the comments below. And as far as what videos are coming next in the pipeline, you can stay tuned for us to be finishing up this E46 wagon really quickly, doing the oil pan, the front suspension work, and some other cosmetic stuff, and then probably take it on like a road trip or somewhere far away, or test out the off-road capabilities. I think that'd be a really cool video. Now the M5 wagon, I did just get tires for the M5 style wheels, so we're gonna be installing those, refinishing the wheels as well, a fresh color so that it plays well with the blue of my M5 wagon, and they're gonna look really mint hopefully. And I also have some new headlights that we're gonna be installing as well. I know a lot of you guys have been telling me since day one to get rid of the headlights that I have on there, and I agree with you. They're maybe not the best looking. They're not my style to have them fully chromed out. So I'm really excited because we have some new headlights that we're gonna be installing. It's gonna completely change the look of the car. And lastly, I'm super excited because we have a new car coming to the channel, kind of like a build on top of a build, since we're not done with this thing yet, but I figured that I wanted to buy this car. I found it for a really good deal, so stay tuned for some upcoming content on that. And if you want to get a sneak peek at exactly what we bought and you want to hear what we're going to do with it, go ahead and join the Patreon page, because I'm going to be sharing there with you guys, you know, this early access stuff about what car we bought, and you'll be able to see it. And just don't tell anyone in the comments, okay? Just keep it to ourselves in the Patreon community. So anyways, guys, I hope that I didn't bore you with this video, just updating you on where we're going with the channel. But as I've said, and I'll keep saying it, you know, I'm really happy with the community that we've built. The channel, the content has just grown in quality, I feel like, and you guys are super engaging and helping me generate these ideas and giving us feedback for things that we can do physically on the cars differently, or editing wise, or stylistically differently. I appreciate all that feedback a ton, and I'm really excited with the journey that we've started on this channel, and I can't wait to take it all the way to the end, wherever that may be, guys. So we're gonna keep building cool BMWs, keep creating cool content for you guys, and yeah, that's basically it. So please like the video, comment down below, and one last thing is I do have a giveaway currently for a free t-shirt. It should be done in like the next week or so, so I'll put a link to that video in the description below. Go ahead and just comment that video. Like. And as long as you're a subscriber, you'll be entered to win a free t-shirt. I'm gonna choose a comment completely at random and send a free t-shirt out to one of you guys. So go ahead and enter there. But for now, I hope everyone has an awesome day, and we will see you in the next video.